Shalom Lava, and welcome back again to another episode of on our channel. We're just on our way to the plantation now. So coconut collecting day. Today's a very special day because last night we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So it's a bit. Pretty hard trying to drive the car at the same time, trying to hold the phone. Hopefully in the nearby future we will have GoPro, unless someone's willing to donate it. Anyway, yeah, hopefully we'll have a GoPro sometime soon, and we can stick that onto the car, make it easier to record and drive it and at the same time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video today. So on the left there, we've just finished clearing up another plot. Alright guys, so it's really hard trying to do the chores here at the plantation with and at the same time trying to hold the phone. But yeah, trying to call the cows so that they don't go along with the herd and get them to come drink. So as you can see there, that is our bull, and that's one of the bulls that went with the herd when they went chasing towards that side. So that's why we tried to get our cows away first. Unfortunately, he went running along with the herd, but that's why you keep on calling them, calling out the name that we use to call them, so that they can come back while we chase the other cows outside of the fencing. When we bought him, he was about that big, but now you can see the size he's got. His mom's actually here. That's his mom there, next to the cows with the horn. That's Suki, and that's her baby. It's a big baby. Big! This is the reality of farming sometimes here in Samoa, and that's why it's difficult. It's because there are things like this that happen, especially here where we have our cattle farm. I think there's about 3-4 cattle farms next to ours. So sometimes the cows from the other farm will come into our fencing, and then as a result they'll break down the fencing we've got set up. So we have to try and chase them out if we can, but sometimes they don't go out, so we just fix up the fencing and then get whoever's looking after the cows for that family to come get his cows back. But other than that, we should be okay. Our main goal today were to get some coconuts, and this is how we usually carry out our routine for picking up coconuts. We have a road, a track where the car usually goes around inside here. So it goes around, up and down that way. So every time we gather coconuts, we try and get them as close as possible to the track, and that way it makes it easier for us to get them onto the car. So as you see, there's one gathering of coconuts there. There's another one there, right there, if you can see it. Another one down there. And this goes on for the whole bit of the track where we usually go around when collecting coconuts. This is why Samoan people are good at rugby, especially halfbacks. these future 7 players. It's a halfback, it's a winger, and the coach. Just on our way back to the entrance of the gate. Pick up the net and then secure the coconuts and head back home. Hopefully we have some pumpkins there. But yeah, this is our usual, probably once every 2 weeks we come gather coconuts. Not every day, but on selected days, just so that there's enough coconuts on the ground for us to gather. Cows are in the way, but hopefully they'll get up and go. They still won't move, use the old smack him, and that'll get him going again. Pede uka mga kaki. Ayaw fit maki. Load secure now. About to head back home now. Done for the day. Lloyd Monty just putting in the pumpkins. It's enough cargo for today. The cows are happy, hopefully. I'm gonna sign off now, guys. Just want to say thank you again for subscribing to our channel. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow as well and share with your friends who are interested in farming here in Samoa. And that's it from us. Peace. Huh?